It is time now, Scott.
For recipe of the week.
He's already starting to microwave to melt some butter. We're making banana muffins because we had a viewer tell us we should make banana bread. So banana bread can take like an hour to bake. So we found a recipe for banana muffins on allrecipes.com. That's where we go. And it's much quicker. Hopefully it's easier too.
It's such a small amount of butter. Are we sure that that's right?
That's what it says. It says 1 tablespoon of butter.
1 tablespoon?
Oh, wait, no, sorry. That's for later. You need a 1/3 cup of butter melted.
A 1/3 cup of butter melted.
So a 1/3 of a cup is a whole stick. And a 1/3 of a cup goes to here.
No, half a cup.
Our stick is half a cup. A 1/3 of a cup is right here. Okay, so there's the line. So
right.
Just add that to it.
Okay.
See there's the line? Okay. We're just getting ahead to melt the butters. Okay. So the oven's already preheated. We're gonna grease or put in some muffin tin. Do we have any muffin thingies or Pam?
You want Pam?
Sure. So in a large bowl, we're gonna mix together 1½ cups of flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Thank you, yeah. Okay. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna start with the flour. In a large bowl, mix together 1½ cups of flour. Let me open our flour here. I'm trying not to
Put
make
your
it
mask
too
on.
messy. Oh, I need to do that. 1 second. Sorry, here we go.
I guess if only one of us has it on, it's good enough.
Okay. I'm still gonna stay 6 feet away from you. All right, in a large bowl, mix 1½ cups of flour.
Gross. These bananas have seen better days. Can you smell these? Oh my God, right? They're pungent. All right, here we go.
Okay, here's a cup of flour, and we'll do another ½ cup of flour.
How many bananas, Kara?
3.
3? Okay.
3, okay. So you're gonna do the wet ingredients.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, look, it won't even come out of the skin. It's so mushy. It's gross. Thank you, Jamie.
Baking soda. Yes, Jamie brought us some melted bananas from home. Okay, teaspoon. Do you have the spoons over there?
Yeah, you want a spoon?
Everything's new.
Teaspoon here? Everything's new.
Okay.
Make it nice.
All right, so how much, okay, baking soda. The baking soda is a teaspoon, all right?
Okay, the bananas are mushed.
Okay.
All right, now what do we do with the butter? Put it in there?
Yes, in a small bowl, you're gonna mix, well, hang on. Your part is in another bowl, that's you. You're gonna beat together banana, sugar, egg, and melted butter.
Okay.
Okay, let me get the dry stuff done. Flour, baking soda, now I need baking powder, and then salt. Okay.
In a large bowl, mix together 1 1/2.
It's all new. Okay.
In another bowl, beat together bananas, sugar.
A teaspoon each
How
of
much
baking
sugar?
soda and baking powder.
3
There you
cups of sugar.
And
3/4 of a
and
cup.
salt. Okay. Salt. A ½ teaspoon of salt.
This looks like a cup. So we'll give it 3/4.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Okay. I'm even gonna measure the salt. I think I would just. So I'll store my dry ingredients together. In a moment, we're gonna do a marriage.
Beat together bananas, sugar, egg. How many eggs?
You need how many eggs? 1 egg. 1 egg, lightly beaten.
1 egg lightly
Did we show
beaten.
what it's supposed to look like?
I'm putting the
Did we
butter
do
in
that? We already did. Okay, so.
there. 1 egg lightly beaten. Okay.
Okay.
There it is, Kara.
There you go. Oh, that's nice. Okay.
Make it nice.
You're gonna do that. So in a minute, we're gonna marry those. Now I'm gonna do something. The next step. Step 3. Oh, okay. There is an optional step 3, which we're gonna skip for time, but you could do brown sugar, flour, and cinnamon, and then you cut in the butter and you sprinkle it on top of the muffins.
Okay.
Okay?
We got some concoction going on here.
Yeah? You know what? If anyone,
Okay, we're gonna throw it all together. We got a
go
minute.
1 minute. Okay, and then we want to mix that all together, and then we gotta speed up, because we need to get it in the muffin tins. I'm gonna spray your muffin tins for you. Then I can't, it's on your side. All right,
This
mix
is
it
gonna
in there.
take more than a minute.
Well, if we had a mixer, it'd be faster, a little hand mixer. Here, use your muscles. Oh, 30 seconds? Oh no, are we gonna fail?
We're gonna fail.
Here, move. Move, move, move. Move. We gotta get it in here. Wait, we need more time. Ask the producer for more time. Ew. Okay.
Now that thing is, Vita, we failed.
Wait, we have to get the flour mixed. All right, listen.
And then what does it do, Jamie? It goes
Wait,
into
it's
the.
almost done.
Almost done.
We can at least get the. Just come on.
And then it goes in the muffin tins.
It goes in the muffin tins. All right, get me a spoon, quick.
All right, we failed.
Yeah, we're gonna
we'll
get
do
it.
this. We're gonna finish this during the commercial break.
We can.
Look at that.
I'm gonna do it in there. It's gonna be fine.
All right, make it nice. Make it nice. They're right there. We actually
the
did
muffins.
it. Let's see the muffins.
We take a shot.
Yay!
Yay!
We did it.
You doubters, we did it.